If your septic system is acting up, knowing the signs early can save you a ton of stress and cash. So, here's the deal. If you notice slow drains in your sinks or tubs, that's a big red flag. Like when water takes forever to go down, your septic tank might be full or clogged. Another clue is, if you smell gross sewage odors around your yard or near your septic tank lid, that's not normal and means something's off. Keep an eye out for soggy, swampy patches in your yard that don't dry up even when it hasn't rained. That usually means wastewater is leaking to the surface. If you start getting backups inside your home, like toilets or drains overflowing, don't ignore it. Make sure you schedule regular inspections and pump your tank every 3 to 5 years to avoid problems. Avoid flushing stuff like wipes, grease, or harsh chemicals that mess with the bacteria breaking down waste in your tank. Also, don't park or build heavy stuff on top of your drain field because it can crush the pipes and mess things up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic systems is ignoring slow drains and hoping they'll fix themselves, which usually just makes things worse. So, get it checked as soon as possible. Another common issue is not pumping the tank regularly. This leads to solids clogging the drain field and can cost way more to fix later. Lastly, many folks flush things they shouldn't, like baby wipes or grease, which kill the helpful bacteria and cause blockages. Stick to flushing only toilet paper and human waste to keep it running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about septic systems and other home projects. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work from folks who need reliable help, making it a win-win.